Hello, everybody. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe and happy. So, today, the program which I have come up with is Guess the Sound. So, I will be playing two times, one sound, and then you have to guess what sound is it. Alright, let's start. The first one coming up is right here. Did you guys guess that one? And if you said it's a bowling strike or a bowling alley, you are correct. That is a good one. Alright, next one coming up is. Alright, if you guys said if it's a toilet flush or toilet flushing, you guys are correct. Alright, next one coming up is. Did you guys guess that one? And if you said it's an owl hooting, you are correct. Did you guys guess that one? If you said it was a pen clicking, you guys are correct. Alright, next one. There we go. What did you guys guess? If you said it was a plate smashing, you guys are correct. Alright, next one. If you said it was a vacuum cleaner, you are correct. Alright, next one is. Did you guys guess that one? If you said it was a hen, you are correct. Did you guess this one? If you said a tap running or a faucet, you are perfectly correct. Alright, next one. Did you guess this one? If you said it was a duck, you are correct. Alright, next one. What did you hear? Did you guess this one? If you said a paper cutting or cutting a paper, you are correct. Alright, let's see the next one. Did you guys guess this one? If you said it's an airplane or a jet, you are perfectly correct. Alright, next one coming up is. Alright, I'll give you a hint. So this is a bird and it's usually gray or blue colored. Did you guess this one? And if you said it was a pigeon, you are correct. Alright, next one. What did you hear? If you said it was a cat purring, you are correct. Good job, everybody. Alright, let's see the next one now. What did you hear? If you said it was a lawnmower, you are amazingly correct now. Good. Alright, let's see the next one now. What was this? And if you said it was trees in the wind, you are correct. Good. Oh, what was this? Alright, did you guess this one? And if you said it was an electric screwdriver, you are correct. Alright, next one. Oh, it's a bird. What kind of bird is it? It's usually black colored. And it is a crow. Perfect. Let's hear the next one. Oh, we know this one. Any guesses? If you said it was a sheep, you are correct. Alright, next one. If you said it was somebody blowing their nose, you are correct. Alright, let's see the next one now. And here it comes. Alright, we'll start. What did you hear? If you said it was an aerosol spray, you are correct. Alright, next one. Alright, what was this one? Let's hear it again. What do you think this is? Any guesses? And if you said it was a car starting, you are correct. Alright, next one. What did you hear? If you said it was somebody snoring, you are correct. Alright, next one. Did you guys guess that one? It was a bit tricky. If you said it was pulling a sticky tape or pulling just a tape, you were correct. Alright, next one. Oh, I love the sound. We'll hear it again. Any guesses? I'll give you a hint. So this sound usually you'll hear it in Canada's Wonderland. And it's a roller coaster. That's correct. Alright, next one. Any guesses? If you said it was chopping vegetables on your wooden chopping board, you are correct. Alright, next one. Did you guess this one? We'll hear it again. If you said it was water lapping or water lapping, you are correct. What did you guys hear? Any guesses? Ooh. And the answer is brushing teeth. Good job. That's tricky. I don't know that one either. Oh, so that was a balloon deflating. So you'll be holding the balloon tip and then it will deflate on its own. So that was a balloon deflating. Good one. Alright, next one. Did you guess that one? Any guesses? That was a blow dryer or a hair dryer. If you said that, you were correct. Alright, next one. Did you guess that one? That was some people clapping together. And if you said that, you were correct. Alright, let's listen to the next one. Oh, what did you hear? Alright, we'll be hearing it again. Did you guess that one? If you said that was a kitten, you were correct. Did you guess that? Let's hear it again. And it was a coin striking the table or spinning the table. If you said that, you are correct. That was a good one. What did you think? And if you said it was a pool break, you are correct. Next one. Alright, that was something good. Let's hear it again. Did you guys guess that one? If you said it was a motorbike, you are correct. Alright, next one. What did you hear? And if you said a shower, you are correct. That was a shower. Good job. Alright, two more. Let's hear the next one. Oh, that was tricky. So that is beating an egg. So you have eggs in a bowl and then you're beating it with the beater. All right, next one. What did you guys think this one is? All right. So that was a breaking wind. If you guys guessed that one, you guys are correct. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys stay safe and stay happy. Keep smiling. I will see you soon. Alright, take care.